Deep in Sector 4 of the jungle, a legend was left behind. An old explorer vehicle that never made it back to base.
Trekking through the thickest part of the overgrowth. And there she is. But something is very wrong.
Look at this damage. That's not a crash. Something massive, with giant claws, ripped straight through the heavy steel hood. The windshield is completely caved in. Whatever hit this thing, hit it with terrifying force.
Forcing it open. The structural damage on this side is immense.
It's open! The interior is a total disaster zone. Look at those slash marks on the seats.
Found an old heavy-duty flashlight crushed on the floor. Whoever was driving left in a serious hurry.
Lifting the torn hood.
A classic, heavy-duty V8. But it is completely buried in jungle rot and rust.
The jungle has literally strangled the cooling system, cutting the vines away.
Checking the oil. Oh no, milky white sludge. The engine block is completely flooded with jungle water.
Taking up the slack. The suction of the jungle mud is fighting the recovery. It breaks free. The brakes are rusted solid, so we are literally dragging dead weight.
Dragging it into the clearing. We finally have it out of the deep brush.
She looks completely destroyed. But beneath those terrifying claw marks is a heavy-duty chassis waiting to be reborn. Out of the jungle and into the shop. She brought half the rainforest in with her.
The high pressure literally slices through the baked-on mud. The classic safari stripes are finally visible.
Blasting the mud out of these giant claw marks. The sheer force that tore this steel is terrifying.
Sweeping out the broken glass and jungle dirt. We need a completely blank canvas.
Power washing the V8. We have to see what's actually left of the block beneath all this grease and foliage.
Washing away the evidence. The amount of sludge hiding on this frame is unbelievable.
Cleaned up and dripping wet. The damage is horrific. Time to start the surgery.
First step, hammering the torn, jagged steel back into alignment. It takes serious muscle.
Grinding the torn edges down to bare, shiny metal. We need a perfectly clean surface for the welding.
Laying down a heavy, penetrating weld bead. Melting the two halves into one solid piece.
Grinding the welds perfectly flush. You won't even know it was torn open.
Spreading a thin layer of body filler to perfect the shape. The steel is fixed. Now we perfect the cosmetics.
Laying down the heavy primer. The metal is sealed, and the terrifying scars are gone.
The heavy-duty roof rack was completely crushed in the attack. unbolting the twisted metal.
Tearing out the interior. These seats are slashed to ribbons. Gives you chills just looking at them. Look at that hood. Flawless. The scars are erased. Now, we have to deal with the flooded V8 engine.
Draining the block. That milky white sludge means the jungle water completely flooded the crankcase.
Popping off the valve covers. The jungle rot has reached the top of the engine.
Scraping out handfuls of mud. The engine tried to digest the swamp.
Flushing the block with heavy degreaser, we have to push all that contaminated sludge out.
Soaking the cylinders in penetrating fluid. We have to unseize the rusted piston rings.
Rebuilding the carburetor. It was packed with jungle dirt, but the brass internals are still good.
Running brand new heavy-duty spark plug wires. Giving this beast a fresh spark.
Pouring in fresh, golden oil. The lifeblood of the V8 is restored.
Bypassing the rotten fuel tank and running a temporary line directly to a clean gas can.
Here we go, hitting the starter.
The starter is fighting hard. It wants to run.
Backfire! We have spark and fuel. It's alive!
Burning off all that penetrating oil and jungle rot with a massive cloud of smoke.
Revving it up. The throttle response is incredible. This classic V8 refuses to die.
From completely flooded with swamp sludge to roaring like a lion, the heart of the Safari Jeep is back.
Jacking up the frame. The original suspension is completely collapsed.
Breaking loose decades of rust. These bolts are fighting me every inch of the way.
The original shocks are blown out and leaking everywhere. Pure dead weight.
You can't explore the jungle on street tires, rolling in massive, aggressive mud terrain rubber.
Dropping the jack. The new lifted suspension takes the weight perfectly. Now, let's fix the paint.
Locking down the heavy-duty red steel rims with the impact gun.
Taping off the body lines. Masking is the most important part of any iconic paint job.
Laying down the base. That vibrant, glossy safari yellow is instantly recognizable.
Spraying the deep jungle green. The heavy contrast is what makes this livery pop. Burying it all under a heavy liquid glass clear coat. The gloss is unbelievable.
The best part of any paint job. Peeling the tape to reveal absolutely razor-sharp lines.
A final high-speed buff to give it that flawless, mirror-like showroom reflection. Bolting on heavy-duty matte black fender flares to contain the aggressive new rubber.
Snapping on heavy wire stone guards. You never know what's going to hit you in the jungle.
Just look at her. From a crushed, clawed-open wreck to a flawless, lifted jungle explorer. But the interior still...
No carpets in the jungle. Spraying a heavy, waterproof bed liner to seal the cabin completely.
Installing a heavy-duty roll cage. If something flips this beast again, the roof won't crush.
Welding the cage solid to the frame. Absolute structural integrity.
Dropping in the ultimate recovery tool, a massive 12,000-pound electric winch.
Locking in 5-point safety harnesses. You don't want to get thrown around in the brush. Popping in fresh analog gauges. We need precise vitals on that rebuilt V8.
Wiring up the heavy-duty toggles for the auxiliary lights and the massive front winch.
Torquing the bumper bolts down. It is officially part of the chassis.
Mounting the massive spare tire. You don't want to get a flat while being hunted.
Putting her in gear. Time to roll this monster out into the light.
Firing her up. The V8 sounds absolutely terrifying through the new exhaust. Rolling out. From a crushed, dead relic in the mud to an absolute masterpiece of off-road engineering.
Just look at the stance. She is beautiful, aggressive, and 100% ready to face whatever is waiting back in that jungle.
The new mud terrains are absolutely relentless. They claw through anything.
Powering through the river crossing. The snorkel is taking in clean air while the engine roars.
A massive fallen tree. Time to test the new 12,000-pound winch. Rigging the tree. This synthetic line is stronger than steel.
Powering through the river crossing. The snorkel is taking in clean air while the engine roars.
Pure mechanical muscle, dragging tons of wood like it's nothing.
The lift kit is working perfectly. Look at that articulation.
The sun is setting, and the fog is rolling in. This is exactly where we found her, and why she was abandoned.
KC highlights, turning this foggy nightmare into broad daylight.
She was built to take this. Smashing through the brush at 60.
Something is hunting us! Lure it! Ah! Get us out of here!
She looks like a beacon of hope in this prehistoric nightmare. The scars are gone, but we'll never forget the monster that made them.
Thanks for watching the Ultimate Jurassic Rescue. Subscribe for the next adventure, if you dare.